Thompson for the full forecast.
Hey there, Martin. Thanks. You know, we've seen quite a wintry mess today. This kind of ball that I'm holding in my hand, look at this. This isn't a snowball, guys. This is an ice ball. This is pretty much completely made up of sleet. But we have had some snow on top of that ice, too, today. Like here in Princeton over the past hour, we had a little snow on the top of the ice. You can see me kind of brushing it off there. It's going to be pretty nasty overnight tonight as these temperatures drop and some of this slushy mess starts to refreeze. So please be careful if you are out on the roadways. Let's take a look at that satellite and radar. The flakes have really kind of winded down quite a bit now in Princeton, but if you are looking at east of I-77, some intense bands of snow still coming down across parts of Giles, Monroe, Summers, Greenbrier, and Pocahontas counties right now. Some plain rain and a little bit of ice still mixing in across areas west of I-77. So we're not quite done with this storm yet. Most of the heaviest stuff is starting to pull out of the area or will be doing so very soon, but we're still expecting major travel impacts across a lot of the area tonight because of what's left on the roads and the hazards we have of this icy, slushy mess refreezing. Any water that's on the roads now could become ice overnight tonight and especially into early tomorrow morning as temperatures drop. Right now we're hanging out in the 30s. Bluefield below freezing at 30 degrees. Need to watch for some slick spots there, especially where temperatures have already dropped below freezing. Most of us end up in the upper 20s and low 30s into the later part of the night. We've got winter storm warning still out for Pocahontas, Greenbrier, Fayette, Raleigh, Summers, Monroe, Giles, Blandwidth, and Mercer counties for any additional wintry mix we could see, and also just for the hazardous road conditions that we're going to see. That should expire at midnight because the heaviest stuff should be gone by then, but still be careful. A winter weather advisory is still in effect for Tazewell County, too, which could see a little bit more snow and ice here over the next few hours. But generally, this thing is supposed to kind of wind down in the next few hours. But watch what happens as we head into the after midnight hours. We've seen some snow. We've actually got some snow redeveloping across our western-facing slopes in areas that mainly had rain today. So I'm not expecting as much sticking there. The ground's still kind of warm. But this northwesterly flow is kicking in. The winds change direction. We get some cold air back in here. So Bluefield, Flat Top, our western-facing slopes, Beckley, Fayetteville, could see a few more snow showers into Thursday, too, kind of on and off across the high spots. This will not result in a lot more accumulation. We're talking mainly less than an inch as far as any additional accumulations go, maybe an inch or two at really high elevations overnight and into Thursday. But generally, the heaviest stuff has already come down, and what we've got is what we're going to have. But again, everything has the potential to just refreeze tonight, especially in these high spots, elevated surfaces like bridges and overpasses. You've got to be super, super aware and slow down, place as many distances between you and the car in front of you and behind you as you can. You don't want to be up on somebody's tail with conditions like these. So to recap tonight, temperatures again in the upper 20s and low 30s. The wintry mix will wind up. We'll just see some spotty snow showers for most late tonight and into early tomorrow. Cold day tomorrow, only in the 30s throughout the entire day. So road conditions could be pretty dangerous, especially in those back and side spots, all the way through tomorrow night, even as we clear out. And Friday still not looking like exactly a warm day. I do think we'll start to moderate a bit into the weekend, but we still could see some isolated rain and snow here and there. Hey, stick with us. We'll be right back right after this break.